Found an OCP project file related to scientific instruments or process control? This is a project file from Offline Commander software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and work with these Offline Commander project files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your OCP file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. OCP files are project files created by Offline Commander software used for instrument control data analysis or process automation, depending on the specific application context. They store project configurations, data references, analysis settings, and workflow parameters for offline analysis of instrument data outside live measurement sessions. OCP project files use a proprietary format specific to the Offline Commander application, storing structured project metadata, data file references, analysis parameters, and user-defined workflows. The format preserves complete project state, enabling resumption of analysis work, and sharing of configured projects between team members. The anticipated software for loading OCP is Offline Commander, created by Zylox Software, Inc. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows displays only foundational metadata, so analyzing the content requires dedicated software. To open this specific OCP file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Offline Commander is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If the OCP file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The specificity of the OCP format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, opening an Offline Commander. Install the Offline Commander software corresponding to your application context. Launch the application and use File then Open Project to load the OCP file. The software restores the complete project environment with all reference data files and analysis configurations ready for continued work. Next, maintaining data references. OCP project files reference external data sources, so ensure all reference files remain accessible. If files have moved, use the application's relink feature to update paths. Maintain organized folder structures with project files and data together to prevent broken references during project sharing or system migration. Finally, exporting analysis results. Export analysis results from Offline Commander to standard formats like CSV, PDF, or image files for external use. This enables sharing results with stakeholders who don't have Offline Commander software, ensuring research outputs remain accessible regardless of original software availability. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.